Influenced by 17, prod by Pharrell Williams. First time to listen and watch. Are we ready for
Ready. First time to
17
watch,
action?
not first time to listen.
First time to watch. Yes, with visuals. Oo,
Correct.
kailangan talaga. Very excited for the visuals. Let's go!
And I had time to think about it. It's too much bullshit that's around it. I don't want it at all. But hey, I wanna have a good time.
Para sa naka-encase?
And I had
Like a Barbie.
Oh
my God.
Ayan na naman yung mga
robot sa
robot!
maestro. Diba? ROI sila.
ROI!
But hey, I wanna have a good time. Good time, good time, good
Pogi ni Mingyu.
Let's go out, let's go out, let's go out, let's do now, let's go out. Sing, fit the vibe, chase the fate, and be the section everybody talking about. Only fun shit is allowed. Argue every time, ain't enough for you.
Ay, it's Game of Thrones.
Arya, asan ka na?
Okay. And I had time to think about it. My life would be so much better.
Hair color.
I don't want it at all. But hey, I wanna have a good time.
Ito ng Clover Boy. Ano?
Good time. Sometimes you wanna lock up. You get frustrated, come and stuck up. But once you bring the plug up,
Pogi, Uzi. That's like
Correct, dahil sa LV.
that's their set in Face the Sun.
Correct! Baka ano, they're bringing back like old, like visuals.
shit is allowed. Argue every time, ain't enough for you. You wanna have a good night. 4 in the morning, what the fuck we doing? Turn this into good time. And
Ay, sangkwan!
Funny.
about it.
Gusto ko yung andaming tires. As a vulcanizing shop owner.
Ay, ang daming pogi. Stress.
Good time.
Okay. All right.
Alright.
So, okay na ba, Karats? Nagmura na ulit sila. Okay? Hindi na ito yung good influence na version.
I can't imagine how they're gonna do it in a concert. Parang, it's not, parang feeling ko pang costume change siya. Sorry, Pharrell. Pero, yeah, may ganun
It
siyang
was
vibe.
made for LV, diba, fashion.
Alright.
Ay,
show.
correct.
Yeah.
Tama. Okay, so pang ganun nga siya. Pang walking.
Yeah,
Correct.
and this feels like a fashion film.
It does.
I mean, yung ano niya, yung atake niya.
Yeah.
So, sucks lang naman siya.
Oo.
And
Hindi ba
Parang-
nahuli si Hoshi at any point?
Actually, oo nga. Parang
Kasi
hindi
yung
siya,
ano,
ko siya
may
emphasize.
robot doggies.
Correct. Pero hindi siya dun sa mga, hindi siya naging Barbie, hindi siya na-encase. Wala siyang shot sa mirror. Parang,
Oo.
asan? Dun lang siya
Hindi
sa
daw kasi siya
maestro
Barbie.
robot.
He's more like a labubu.
Labobo. In general, sakto lang naman tong kontang to for me.
Mm-mm.
It's, steady vibe. So, and the video is steady also. At least clean. Because like in the episode, I said then na yung thunder was a little bit too messy. So, this isn't.
Mm-mm.
Para sa mga eyes na matatanda na kailangan makita yung mga detalye. Char lang. Hindi
Aha.
naman. Pero parang at least the intention of showcasing their faces mas kita.
Mm-mm.
Not groundbreaking, but it's alright.
Oo.
Nagulat ako na they released an MV for this. Kasi there was no announcement. All of a sudden, isang gabi na lang, magkakaroon daw. Parang 2 nights ago or something.
Oo.
Did it need an MV?
I feel like It was part of the contract kind of thing. I don't know. It
Parang,
always felt like that.
oo. Parang if it were like since it's for the LV show nga, baka they're also wearing LV clothes. So it's a good way to promote the wares, I guess.
I'm not so
Si
sure.
Minghao,
But
si
yeah.
Minghao lang ang LV ambassador sa kanilang
Kasi hindi nga
lahat.
pala sila pwedeng magsuot ng ano. Okay,
So we
okay.
wouldn't know. But it
But
does
yeah.
feel so LV, no? Parang
Oo.
may fashion show yung
Yeah.
LV na ganyan din yung pagka-shoot. Yung
Yeah.
parang lakad-lakad na pa square, baba ng
Yeah.
stairs.
Oo.
Fashion
correct.
Very-
film. Sana may individual music videos na lang. All 13. For the
Oo, kung kinaya
individual
ni Beyonce
songs,
yon for
diba?
Lemonade, bakit hindi
Ay,
nyo kaya 17?
Diba? Tapos dapat
Correct.
yung kanta ni Doc yung Sheep Farm.
Correct!
Never yun natanggal sa utak ko. Shika.
Kasi parang yung buong time pa na they were talking about the songs, wala siya sa mood. Parang low bat si Sir.
Oo.
Pero nung
Oo.
kay DK, bigla siyang, I'm so happy. It's like a sheep farm.
It's like I'm a
Wait,
sheep farm.
sino nagsabi nun? Si DK?
Si Hoshi.
Si Hoshi? Parang sheep farm yung
Oo.
kanta ni DK?
Yun yung
Oo.
description niya. It feels this song makes me feel like I'm in a sheep farm, something like that. Which makes sense. I absolutely
It does.
agree.
Yeah.
Pero never natanggal sa utak ko na, okay, pag when DK song is up, sheep farm.
I wonder how Hoshi will describe this song.
That's true.
Pogi ni Woozy.
Super.
Parang ito yung first na gantong vibe. I mean, I guess kasi first din naman tong gantong vibe as a song in general. So parang ang bagal niya compared to their usual nga na as Mon said, parang medyo mas pak ganun. Ito parang mas kalmado lang.
Well, Eyes on You would be the closest na.
That's true.
But it's a little bit more
Oo.
upbeat.
Oo.
Pero yung parang pagka-steady niya, it's there.
Mm-mm.
The vibes of the steadiness. Parang nasa same family sila. Same Venn diagram.
Venn
I love
diagram.
that how it's all about feeling your oats lang talaga. Parang sa Thunder, di ba? Medyo may feeling your oats pero in a drunken way.
Correct.
Dito, in a cool way.
In a cool
parang,
way. Ito yung post Thunder. Bago ka pumunta ng club.
Oo,
Like, ito muna,
correct.
feel yourself muna. Like, oh my God, tonight, I'm gonna be a bad influence. Pero pagdating mo sa club, doon mo ma-realize na, oh my God, I'm old. I'm a ton.
Yung thunder as in yung mga thunders.
Oo, the Thundercats.
So yung alo-alo is actually aray-aray.
Correct. Oo.
Agoy.
Agoy. Yun.
Thank you for this gift. It's unexpected but it's fun.
Yes. Oo. Papasalamat for these little surprises. Thank you, 17.